gotta take a full. Oh, fuck!
Oh my god.
Say, hey there, little boy.
Oh, hi, mister.
Just having a good day?
Yeah, I came here to get a couple chicken tendies after school.
Alright, guys, sorry.
All right.
God damn it, dude.
Sorry, guys. That chicken tendies got me, bro. That's funny.
So you're here for some chicken tendies?
The voice is too f***ing good. It's like, I feel like I'm actually about to get
I got all the chicken tendies you can ever need in here. Some coloring books and crayons. All the colors.
Wait, do you have magenta?
Come here.
I don't know about this. My mom told me not to talk to strangers in the McDonald's parking lot. But if you said you got a magenta crayon, dude, hang on a second. That's not a nugget.
That was the most perfectly timed.
Perfectly timed. It's like Juicy walks